So friends, in today's video I'm going to show how to make perfect puff puris. It is famous all over. Everyone's love this and I'm going to show in a very simple way and try this recipe at home and you will enjoy. It goes very well with chana bhaji, potato bhaji. Links are in the description. You can follow the link how to make bhaji as well. So let's get started of making perfect puff puris. So for that what I've taken is wheat flour, sieved and kept, which is 2 cups. Water is just to need. I need salt is to taste and semolina which is 2 tablespoon semolina. And I also need oil which is 2 tablespoon. Salt is to taste. Before adding water, mix all the ingredients first. To make a nice dough. Now what we require is a warm water. Once these ingredients are mixed well, add water. Okay. So guys, check this out. This dough is ready now. Check the texture. It should be very tight and not too soft also. And to keep one thing in mind, that we have semolina in this and we have to keep this on to rest and we'll keep this at least for 20 minutes. Now what we'll do is we'll have to apply little bit of oil to keep it moist. Add little oil to your palm. Apply it and keep it. This will cover it and keep for 20 minutes now. I check this out. This is how it should be. Check the thickness. Let's do it one more. You can cut it with anything which is a cutter or to give a round shape. Is out. Guys, since our puris are rolled out now, we have to start frying them. Check out the oil. The depth of the oil should be more in order to deep fry them. First we need to check if oil is hot. Just put little dough and see if the oil is hot. It should come up. Yes, it is already hot now. Now we will start to fry our puris. Check this out. It is puffed out nicely. This is how puris should come. Try my recipe. Very easy, very simple. In every step I've shown. And make this recipe at home. See how nice it looks. Let's do it one more. Check this out, guys. Look how beautiful they looks and nicely puffed out. Guys, while frying the puris, you need to press the sides and not in the middle. That is very, very important. Otherwise all the air will come out if you press in the middle and your puris will not look fluffy. Check this out. You have to press the sides and not in the middle. See how nice it looks. Guys, check out the final product after frying. How beautiful they look, how puffed up. Check out my simple recipe and try this at home and make it for your loved ones. Goes very well with potato bhaji, any kind of Channa bhaji or any bhaji. Guys, check the link in the description for potato bhaji and Channa bhaji and try out my recipe and you all will love it. That's a simple recipe which I have shown, very easy and convenient to make. All the ingredients you can get it in the market. And try out this one, Puri's puff ones. Look how beautiful and lovely they looks.